Go. Jump, bump, bounce, and it fly. It fly. It went to the other. What is that? It's another obstacle. And it went back. It slid through the. What is that called?
Wall.
The wall. Big wall. It went under the chair. It fly again. Oh, where are you going? Hey, where are you going? That's too far. And it went back. It went back to the chair. And it slides. Boom! It jumps. It jumps. Good job. It hold that tarp. And it fly again. Going back to the slide. It went back to the start. And it parked. What did it say? You? You win a candy?
Yeah.
Does tiger shark eat candy?
No, us.
We will eat candy.
Let's do it fast.
Okay, let's go. Ooh, whoa, that's so quick. Oh, that's so fast. Oh, jump, run. Oh, it fly. Go back. You. You win a candy. Yum, yum, yum.
And normal.
Slow motion.
Let's do it in normal.
Okay, normal motion. Oop, jumping, moving. Nice. Go, go, go. Oh, went to the back. Is it flying? Whee. Does it use booster? That's a wonderful race. Good job.